And he was explosive at the rim on this play. Turned the corner. What? He just flips it and just punches that one. But he held on at the end. And that's what they call it for. He did. There was nobody under him, and he held on. With a big-time pass and a big-time finish. And the kick on top of it. Yeah, he deserved all of that.
And so Hoffarber will shoot the free throws for Minnesota.
Punch it. Oh, he missed both of them. You can see that both of them leaving his hand. They had no chance.
Oladipo is playing with some energy, and he is in the face of Hoffarber. Tommy Smith needs a 30 to talk about it. This place is fired up, and Tom Crean gets a Hoosier faithful on their feet. Back-to-back